Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you once again to Indian Restro. In today's episode, we have brought a completely new, healthy and visually very attractive dish, mutton cucumber boat. As the name suggests, the main attraction of this recipe is a cucumber cut into the shape of a boat and topped with a delicious filling of mutton keema. These include boat-shaped cucumber pieces, chopped coriander leaves, boiled mutton keema, boiled potatoes, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and black pepper powder. With these simple ingredients, we will prepare today's delicious and healthy mutton cucumber boat. Now let us move on to the cooking process. First, place a pan on the stove and add the boiled mutton keema to it and heat it slightly. When the keema starts to warm up, add the boiled potatoes and mix them well. This will allow the potatoes and mutton keema to combine and form a thick mixture. After that, add the chopped onions. Once the onions are added, fry the mixture properly so that the raw smell of the onions disappear and their aroma blends nicely with the keema. Next, add the chopped tomatoes to the mixture. After adding the tomatoes, stir everything well so that the tomatoes become soft and blend nicely with the keema and potatoes. Then, add the chopped coriander leaves. The coriander leaves bring a fresh aroma and flavor to this dish. After adding them, stir the mixture again and fry it lightly so that all the ingredients mix together perfectly. Finally, sprinkle black pepper powder over the mixture. The black pepper adds a mild, spicy flavor and makes the whole mixture even more delicious. In this way, our mutton filling will be ready. Now comes the serving part. First, cut the cucumbers lengthwise into halves and scoop out a little from the middle so that they look like small boats. Then, place the prepared hot mutton mixture neatly on top of each cucumber half so that the cucumber pieces look like small boats carrying the mutton filling. For decoration, place small pieces of tomato in the middle so that the dish looks even more beautiful and attractive. Because the cooked mixture is placed on cucumber pieces shaped like boats, this dish is called mutton cucumber boat. Friends, nowadays the importance of healthy food has increased all over the world. People are much more conscious about their eating habits than before. Instead of oily and heavy food, many people now prefer light, nutritious dishes that are prepared with less oil. This change can also be seen gradually in the food culture of Bengal, especially in cities like Kolkata. There was a time when dishes rich in oil and ghee were the most popular. But now, a new trend of healthy cooking is emerging. Many chefs and food enthusiasts are creating recipes where the use of oil is reduced while giving more importance to the nutritional value of food. Mutton cucumber boat is one such healthy example. In this dish, a fresh and nutritious vegetable like cucumber is used for serving and the mutton filling is prepared using very little oil. As a result, the dish is light yet beneficial for the body. In the modern fusion food culture of Kolkata, such new and healthy recipes are becoming increasingly popular. They maintain a touch of traditional flavors while also reflecting modern health awareness. In conclusion, when delicious food is prepared using healthy ingredients and minimal oil, it becomes an ideal dish. Mutton cucumber boat is a beautiful example of that idea. So friends, this brings us to the end of today's new and healthy recipe. In the next episode, Indian Restro will return with another new and exciting dish. Until then, stay well, stay safe, and enjoy your food.